Right now, we're going back to the big developments on the coronavirus front. Let's take a look at the new numbers we just got in late today. Right now, there are 13,381 confirmed cases of COVID-19 here in Connecticut, and 602 people have lost their lives. More than 1,700 people are currently in the hospital in our state. And at the governor's news conference earlier in the day, there were a lot of questions about when the state could potentially open back up again. A lot of people wondering about bars and restaurants and businesses. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is joining us live right now with that part of our team coverage tonight. Matthew, what are you learning?
Yes, Mark, this is what everyone who is at home, on the sidelines, out of work wants to know. When are things getting back to normal? And tonight, we do have some of those answers. But for Connecticut, it is going to be tricky. And this is why. Let's take a look at some of these numbers released today. These are the county-by-county breakdowns. And you can see the metro areas, Fairfield, New Haven, Hartford counties, they continue to rise. But what's really noticeable, especially this far along into the crisis, are the numbers from all of the other counties. They're quite low. Now, this could be due to lack of testing. This could be due to social distancing. Regardless, Connecticut is going to be in a tough spot because these charts would signal that some counties would be ready to reopen before others. Governor Lamont is weighing the options and listing the pros and cons of doing this county by county. And we asked what the criteria is going forward.
My number one criteria is A, make sure I have the hospital capacity so I can get people back out safely without risking our hospital capacity, and looking very closely at the infection rates as we build out our testing. And I think if we do that on a consistent basis, we're in a strong position to make some real determinations within a month.
So this is definitely a work in process, but one thing that has not changed is that May 20th date. That is the date that the state at the very earliest could reopen. That is the latest. Live here above the newsroom, Matthew Campbell, Channel 13 News.
All right, Matthew, thank you very much.